The cost of the food at the clubhouse was terribly expensive, so we went into town to have our supper. We had the last camping spot by the lake because it was only suited for somebody who was in a van. We brought no food with us to cross the border because they really frown on it.
So many times you come down to the lake, anywhere, to get sunset pictures, and what happens? The clouds come in. So now, you don't have a sunset. Still pretty nice though. We are at Punderson State Park, and it's in the northeast section of Ohio.